Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Roblox Studio with Explorer and Properties visible. This lets you access player characters. First, open or create your place and expand Starter Player. Insert a script into Starter Player scripts so code runs for each player. You do this now because Starter Character scripts executes every time a character spawns. Once done, rename the script to something like Scale Controller so you can find it quickly. This keeps your workflow tidy and avoids confusion later when testing. Now you add the code that changes size. In the script, connect to player. Character added and wait for the humanoid and humanoid root part to exist because timing matters. Attempting to scale too early fails. Then apply scaling by adjusting body scale-like values or modifying motor 6D transforms and update humanoid. Health and hip height if needed so collisions stay correct. Make sure to clamp values between 0, 5, and 3 to prevent hitbox or animation breaks, since extreme scales can break movement and physics. Finish by testing changes in Play Solo, then in a multiplayer session to ensure animations, collisions, and network replication behave. Tweak camera offset and hip height proportionally so view and grounding feel natural, and adjust walk speed if movement feels slow or fast. These compensate for altered model proportions. If something goes wrong, immediately revert the scale and rerun with print statements or check the output for errors. Timing and missing humanoid references are the most common culprits to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.